Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Cardano. Once again, thank you for supporting. Big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you for sharing the content in your subscription. Thank you for liking the video as well. So right now, Cardano, it's bottomed out. You're creating a beautiful little bottom pattern just there. You're looking for a reversal pattern basically. This wick at the bottom is very bullish. Like I said to you, bullish hammer. Start to come back up, falling back to a key level support, looking to create a beautiful little reversal pattern. You're very overextended from the daily EMAs. You know, you can see you're slowing down, allowing this 20 to come back down and retest as resistance. Obviously, if you do start to come up and you hit that as resistance, then that'd be quite negative and potentially come down and start to put in a lower low here for Cardano. But you're very much in the floor, okay, and we're looking for a reversal pattern just there, some kind of ascending triangle, some kind of beautiful double bottom pattern on the daily, holding a key of support, holding this 0618 as well. You know, like we've had 2 days where we've closed above just there. We've got a close, and right now we open and we're rolling back to a key of support. Primarily the support could be this ascending support and the golden ratio to 0618. Okay, if we can get the close above that today and start to come back up and tackle that resistance just there, then you're going to get your little reversal pattern just there, and you're going to start coming back up the stairs, attacking these EMAs, get back through them, tackle this resistance there, hold, boom, see you later. You're going to get the impulsive break. Like I said to you, Cardano's in the floor here. You know, there's a few indicators just there. You've got the RSI, which was outside of the purple box. Again, optimal entry point. You know, when you look back in the history of Cardano, in the floor, outside the purple box, outside the purple box, outside the purple box, just there. That was a Corona dump, and you can see with the Corona dump here, you know what Cardano did. It came down, capitulation, pretty much like what Cardano's just gone through. To be honest with you, with the Corona dump outside the purple box, started to come back up, and you're coiling up. And a lot of people would have been relatively scared here, thinking this was some kind of pennant, okay, and some kind of continuation pattern. But you know, it broke out basically. You got the reversal, you know, because this is a pennant basically. It's a continuation pattern, horizontal. I think we went through one the other day, didn't we? And we said, you know, 32% chance of the upside, 68% chance of the downside. And you can see this actually broke to the upside. So this is an example of, you know, don't always be fearful of these continuation patterns, especially when you're in the floor like this. You know, really in the floor here, and this started to pick up, coil up, and then it broke out, and off it went basically. Again, optimal entry point when you're inside this purple zone. Just there, look, that was a wave just outside that purple zone, just there, optimal entry point. Amazing. There was one that wasn't quite outside the purple zone. I do apologise. So any time, you know, in the history of Cardano, you've been outside there, that purple zone just there, the low end of the RSI there, which sits around about 30, I think it is. So anything under 30, losing this purple box, amazing entry point. And right now you can see that Cardano essentially is, you know, it's come down outside of that, and it's starting to create a lovely little reversal pattern. So, you know, if this starts to break out here and starts to hold back to support, you had a golden opportunity down here. Okay. Equally, if we take a look at this particular indicator here called the MACD, okay, the MACD, you can see that any time you form a bullish cross under the histogram after a large correction coupled with being outside the purple box, it's always fantastic optimal entry point within itself for, you know, reversal. And just here we've got this. There's no guarantees though, 100% there's no guarantees, you know that, but you're creating bullish structure, you're creating a beautiful reversal structure, you're showing that you bottom out basically of Cardano. So just here we've got this beautiful low, look, just outside the purple box, coupled with a bullish cross under the MACD, just started to turn green. You got that convergence just there, look at that. And just here getting really low down, you know, in the RSI just there. This starts to create a beautiful bullish cross like that. Boom, see you later, alligator. And this conversion as well starts to go green like that. Boom, you optimal entry point basically for Cardano moving forward. And this is where you're going to get that huge impulsive break right here. Okay, and I'm going to show you right now your new technical target once you start to break out these levels of resistance, because obviously you got the resistance of this retracement just there. Once you start to break out this level of resistance just there, this is going to be your new target of an impulsive break for Cardano. You're looking at $4.99 in this bull market. Okay, and from here right now, that would be a whopping continuation of around about, let's take a look at that, 218%. So, you know, buy fear, buy blood, buy depression, always the optimal entry points. Don't buy big green candles. Like I said to you, buy big green candles, you get big red dildos, don't you? A lot of people buy these big green candles as well, and they got big red dildos. You know, full transparent, I remember taking Cardano on here, I think it was around about this point where we actually come up here, and I says, look, please be careful everyone, this is really overextended. Take a look at the RSI, you're in the sky basically, you know. Your MACD was, I remember the MACD was all the way up there, you know. So I was saying, look, be careful, please be careful, you know. And the comments that I got here, you know, that you don't know what you're talking about, you're talking out your bumhole, Cardano's going to the moon and all that crap. Like I said to you, on each and every thumbnail I have the road to blah blah, okay, whatever the technical target is. It is the road. It's a long bumpy road. Don't be disillusioned thinking you're going to do something like that, okay. if you're lucky, you might do if you're getting down here, but you'll always run into resistance and coil up, resistance, coil up, resistance, coil up, and it works in beautiful waveforms. Okay, the road to, you know, whatever it is. So that's basically Cardano. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. We're looking for that reversal pattern. If we quickly have a quick look on the 4-hourly time frame for you just now. Okay, let's take a look at where we can get some support. Okay, for Cardano, let's take a look. Let's get rid of that. So in a minute, you can see that you've got back above the 20 here on the 4-hour. Okay, let's have a look, see if we can see any pattern that's starting to form. That's potentially some kind of falling wedge pattern just here, you know. So like we said, we've got this lovely little ascending triangle there, didn't we? What was that on the 4-hour? Just there, we actually lost it, came down, created a beautiful reversal pattern just there. So right now we have got some kind of falling wedge pattern that's forming on the 4-hourly time frame just there for Cardano. Okay, so once you do start to come down like that, coil up, coil up, coil up, hold that, start to break out, you're going to get a retracement to that, and you're going to have a little retest of that, and you can see that's essentially some kind of beautiful double bottom pattern that you're beginning to form. So that's Cardano, you know, it's looking relatively good, isn't it, for continuation. Take care everyone, hope you enjoyed the update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.